In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the pointer sharing or movement between nearby Macs or iPads. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left side, select Displays. And then over here on the right, select Advanced. And where it says allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad, click inside that oval to turn that off. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.